Welcome to the 7th module, where the main topic will be Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain with smart contract functionality. Ether is the native cryptocurrency of the platform. Among cryptocurrencies, Ether is the second only to Bitcoin in the market capitalization. It is open source software. Ethereum was conceived in 2013 by a programmer Vitalik Buterin. Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM for short, is a blockchain-based software platform. It allows developers to create decentralized applications, or DApps. Programmers value them for having no downtime and keeping all created objects safe from modification. Ethereum is Turing complete, meaning highly flexible programming language. You can build anything, equals peer-to-peer virtual computer. Turing complete is a term used in a computability theory to describe abstract machines, usually called automata. Such an automaton is Turing complete if it can be used to emulate a Turing machine. It is also called computationally universal. Most modern programming languages are Turing complete. So let's mention a couple of Ethereum facts. Ethereum is account-based. It supports 7 programming languages, main being Solidity. It has a 14-second block, 14-second transaction block time. At the beginning, Ethereum was proof of work, but with introduction of Ethereum 2.0, Ethereum evolved into proof of stake. Some interesting facts. Ethereum had an ICO, meaning initial coin offering, starting with 72 million of ETH, which was sold to the public for roughly $18 million. So check the Ethereum market cap now. I'm sure that you will be amazed. The Ethereum ecosystem does not include only Ethereum L1. It includes the majority of operating blockchains, which are in one way or another connected to the Ethereum L1. If you remember from a previous chapter, we were talking about L2s, sidechains, and rollups. So in the majority, they all use Ethereum L1 as a security layer.